My name is Masaki Narisawa from Osaka Prefecture University. Mainly making the polycarboxylan at present. Collaboration about the United States and the international should be a main importance of this program, I think. Perhaps the rigid development about the new material or the education's professional should be a future issue of this program, I think. Yeah, professional and the material, I think. I participate in this program individually. My student is working in the field of the polymer-derived ceramics, but they are not participate on this program directly at present. It is a little bit difficult. Perhaps a more professional approach should be necessary in the future, but as a starting, that is okay, I am now thinking.